With the Unpacked event, the world was introduced to currently the world's most stylish phone from Samsung, the Z Flip4. Packing incredibly premium features alongside the quality of life improvements, you need a good pair of TWS earbuds to match its style. With that in mind, in our video today, we have made a list of the top 5 TWS earbuds for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. So without further ado, let's begin. Starting off with a relatively affordable yet impactful pair of TWS earbuds, we have the Neural N6 Pro 2. Blending minimalistic aesthetics with technological advancements effortlessly, the Neural N6 Pro 2 boasts its own custom-made Neural driver V5, which reproduces a comparatively louder and more impactful bass signature thanks to the single-walled oxygen-free copper wire. Being housed in a metal enclosure and modularized to provide the exact tone you'd get from a wired headphone, delicate sound quality is pretty much guaranteed. But all that aside, one of the best bits about the N6 Pro 2 is how it comes equipped with Qualcomm aptX Adaptive, which will optimize your content perfect for your Z Flip4 while maintaining sound quality and minimizing delays. And with a dedicated game mode and a maximum of 40 hours playback with 10 hours of listening time from each bud from a single charge, this is one of the best earbuds you could get for your Z Flip4 for the price. If visual appeal and brand recognition are what you want on par with your Galaxy Z Flip4, look no further than the Studio Buds from Beats. The custom-made acoustic platform delivers a powerful yet balanced sound while giving you full control over 2 distinct listening modes: active noise cancellation and transparency mode. The buds come with 3 soft ear tip sizes that promote a stable and comfortable fit, all the while ensuring that audio leakage will not be an issue. In terms of connectivity, you're getting industry-leading Class 1 Bluetooth that provides an excellent range. Perfect for workouts and rainy weather, the Beats Studio Buds is the perfect companion for your Galaxy Z Flip4, as it comes with a solid and reliable IPX4 water-resistant level. And with a relatively long runtime of up to 8 hours with 24 hours extra from the charging case, these are the best buds from Beats to adorn your brand new Z Flip4. Google also joins the fray of becoming one with the Z Flip4, and their Pixel Buds Pro is just the perfect contender. With this, you're not only getting your traditional ANC, but also the Silent Seal technology that will adapt to your ears and help you block most of the outside noises, and let you enjoy music on your new Z Flip4 at peace. With these buds, you're getting custom-made 11mm speaker drivers and volume EQ, ensuring no matter the situation, you get sound that's loud and proud. Not only ANC, but you'll also be getting transparency mode that'll help you delve into your surroundings without taking off your buds and promote safety at times, like when you're crossing the street. With Google, hands-free is the name of the game, and you can effortlessly ask your buds for directions, respond to a text, or control your music. And with a battery that keeps up with your active lifestyle, you'll be getting 11 hours of listening time paired with a total of 31 hours from the charging case. That too, while being Qi compatible. For the runner-up position on our list today, we have the legendary Sony WF1000XM4. Being the gold standard earbuds that are renowned for their audio quality worldwide, the WF1000XM4 brings with them their industry-leading noise cancellation, all courtesy of their new and powerful integrated processor V1. Alongside the processor, the supporting LDAC codec ensures they get sounds that are the best of the best and take content consumption on your Z Flip4 to a whole other level. Unlike other earbuds on the market, the WF1000XM4 features bone conduction sensors and beamforming microphones that result in crystal clear clarity in terms of communications and provide perfect vocal detection, while speak-to-chat technology automatically enhances and promotes the natural way of having a conversation by adjusting the volume during said conversations in real time. All these come with a hefty 8 hours of battery life and IPX4 water-resisting rating, making Sony one of, if not the best, TWS earbuds you can get for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. By now, this should be no surprise to anyone as to why we decided to choose Samsung's very own Galaxy Buds 2 Pro as simply the best TWS earbuds for your brand new Galaxy Z Flip4. One of the many reasons could be their intelligent active noise cancellation feature quiets down even the loudest of sounds, ensuring you focus on what matters the most, your content. With these buds, rest assured the days of premium audio belonging only to the studio is over, since alongside hi-fi sound quality, you're getting enhanced 360-degree audio that surrounds you with the kind of music you prefer. With the design of these buds, it's as simple as to pop them in and forget about them, since they're incredibly comfortable and will maintain a secure fit inside your ears. For comms, you'll be able to turn every call into a high-definition chat thanks to HD voice technology and intelligent conversation mode that separates your voice from your ambience and automatically switches between ANC and ambient mode. All that with a comparatively strong IPX7 rating and up to 5 hours of battery life with 18 hours with the case. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is no doubt the best audio companion for your new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. And that concludes our video today on the 5 best TWS earbuds for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Do let us know which one of these earbuds you're getting for yourself, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.